Channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple trick that lets you change your voice into a girl's voice for Instagram voice messages. If you've been wanting to send fun or creative voice notes, but with a completely different sound, this walkthrough will make it incredibly easy. First thing you want to do is grab your phone and open either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you're there, head to the search bar and type in Voices AI or Voice AI. You'll see an app that's designed specifically for transforming your voice. Go ahead and download it, and once it's installed, tap open. When the app loads, it'll show you a list of different voice samples you can use. Some of the options might be names like Emily, Kelly, Emma, or even character style voices like Elon. Each one has its own tone and personality, so feel free to tap on them and play the voice examples. Listening to the previews helps you figure out which voice matches the vibe you're going for. Once you pick a voice you like, the app allows you to create audio using either your real voice or just text. If you want to generate a female sounding message, you can type anything you want into the text box. For example, you could type something simple like, "I will be here soon." After typing your message, choose your language and accent. There are usually several options, and then tap the generate button. The app will convert your text into audio using the female voice you selected. When the audio finishes generating, you'll see an option to save or download the file directly to your phone. Make sure you download it so you can use it inside Instagram. Now switch over to the Instagram app. Open your DMs and choose the person or group you want to send the voice message to. Instead of recording something inside Instagram, you'll be sending the audio file you just created. Depending on your device, you can either upload it as a voice message or attach it as an audio file. Once it's sent, it'll sound just like a real female voice, and nobody will know you generated it through another app. A quick download, a few taps to choose the voice you want, type your message, generate it, and send it through Instagram. Super easy, totally beginner friendly, and a fun way to personalize your voice notes. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Instagram using!